Man, I'm too good at this. I'm too good at this. If you guys made money, please, please, please drop a big old fat whiskey glass emoji in the comment section down below, because I'm so pumped that we called another one right again. What is up, everybody? Welcome to Trades. We have technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I'd like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. The reason that I started this channel is because a couple years back, I was about $30,000 deep in some medical debt, and I was very fortunate to have some close family, friends, and mentors that pushed me to work hard and invest my money, and I'm happy to say that not only am I now financially free, but I'm doing pretty well for myself at the age of 23. So, if I can pass along any of the information, resources, or tools that are given to me here to the community and make a couple people better off than they were before, that's all that I can ask for. Last, if you would not mind dropping a like on the video, it really does help support the channel, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. Now today, we have an update on ticker symbol CTRM, Castor Maritime Incorporated. I put out a video this morning and I said, hey guys, this stock looks like it's gonna run, and sure as people in the South cook with Crisco, oh man, it did its thing. We are up 30% on the day. I do have a position in this stock, currently sitting in CTRM with a total of 6,000 shares, dollar cost average of 37.9, up $600 and 30.77% on the day. It was absolutely beautiful. I'm so pumped that we finally got what we were looking for out of this stock, and it doesn't look like it may end yet. I'll talk about a whole bunch of different things here, but we'll look at this macroscopically and microscopically. I've got three different indicators pulled up. The relative strength index, which is anything over 70 overbought, anything under 30 oversold. I have the 200 EMA, which is this dark blue line right here, and this is the exponential moving average, which is an average valuation trend line based on a 200-day moving period, and then the 15-day VAMA, which is the volume adjusted moving average, and this is a 15-day moving period average trend line that is adjusted accordingly to overall volume. Some brokerage accounts might not have this. You may need to use the VWAP or the MA. It's about the closest thing that you can get. We'll talk about some different retracement levels, potential entry points, exit points on the stock. I am still holding my position in the company, and I'm so pumped for everybody out there who made some cash on this. I know there are people out there that have got fatter, filthier profits than I do, because I got in a little too late. But with that being said, let's get right into the video. But first, I want to give a quick shout out to the guys over the Patreon. We are over 400 members strong now. I absolutely am so grateful for all of you guys. It is way too cool what's happening here on the channel. They will have access to the private Discord, as well as real-time insight to my personal trading. So if you're interested, there is a link to the Patreon down below. We've got a lot of great stuff in here. We've got chats and questions, investing assistance, long-term plays, mid-term plays, short-term plays, SPAC plays, the whole 9 yards. So check it out if you are interested. Now, if you're not familiar with what CTRM is, they engage in the provision of shipping transportation services through its ownership of dry bulk vessels. It offers seaborne transportation services for dry bulk cargo, including iron ore, coal, and grain, collectively referred to as major bulks, and steel products, fertilizers, cement, bauxite, sugar, and scrap metal, collectively referred to as minor bulks. And we had a great day today, but with that being said, let's just get in right to the price action, give you an idea of what we might be able to expect into tomorrow's price action. And with that being said, let's just do it. So today was overbought territory without a doubt. We did approach the 70 RSI indicator, which is overbought territory, and historically speaking, when we look at the charts, it does not correct too harshly from overbought territory. We do see here 3 peak outs at overbought territory here, and it was more of a slow consolidation period. We did touch underneath 31 time. However, for the most part, this stock doesn't correct too harshly, so I don't expect much of a drop back from this 40-cent range, and we did hold it extremely well compared to the last time in which we were trading at about 40 cents. So it is going to be interesting to see what happens into tomorrow's trading day. Now, I am going to drop a Fibonacci retracement from the base of this run-up to the very peak of the run-up, and just give us an idea of what kind of correction we may be looking at here in the short term. So if we draw the peak to the base of the run-up, we can see a retracement lines up extremely well where we are currently trading right now at 40 cents. And honestly, it's not quite lined up. If we drop it down exactly, 40 cents is pretty much spot on the money at a retracement level, followed by 39 cents on the money. So I do expect if we see a pullback, it is likely going to be in this 39 cent to 38 cent range. If we look historically at what the stock tends to do, let's just take a quick peek. If we see a run up here, retracement from the base of the run up down here, you can see that we retraced very well to this 50% line. So if I had to guess, we're probably going to repeat a similar trend to this and retrace to the 50% mark. And the 50% mark will bring us down to 38 cents. So if you're looking for an entry point on CTRM, 38 cents does seem to be a very solid entry point. And if we pull up a NUV really quick, I said the exact same thing about a NUV. I said, guys, you're likely going to see it push to 151, the 50% retracement, or 131 if we break through that, the 61.8% retracement. And we halted pretty much exactly on the money at 151. We dipped a hair below that, but if you got an INUV at that exact retracement level, you looked absolutely beautiful. You hit it spot on the money, and you could not have timed that any better. So if I had to guess, we're going to see a similar outcome with CTRM, a retracement to that 50% line, or 38 cents. So if you are looking for a buy-in opportunity, watch for a pullback to 38 cents. I do think it's likely we hold above this. It's a great opportunity to either dollar cost average down or up. If you're a bag holder, that is an opportunity for you. Now, one thing to pay attention to overall is the trend of the stock. And we do go through periods of steep climbs followed by consolidation. And typically the climbs do last for a couple of days. You know, this one lasted about 3 days. This one, we're on day 1 so far. If we look back historically, this one lasted about 2 days if you want to count the after hours and the pre-market. So I would expect a similar outcome here. Of course, that's not guaranteed. We can only look at previous trends. I can't predict the future, unfortunately. But based on what we know, this could very easily continue into tomorrow. The volume for today looked absolutely phenomenal. Very unusual trading volume, but it was up about 2 or 3 times what we usually see. And we have a large gap here between the 15 VAMA and the 200 EMA, which is very, very bullish territory. I do love to see that. And I love to see that there are people out there making money. I know everybody in the Discord was jumping up and down. I tell you what, I will pour back a little bit of rum to that, because this is what I'm calling a nickel and dime play. It's a big fat nickel and dime. Very, very happy for everybody out there that was able to turn a profit on CTRM. That makes me so, so pumped. This was a long time coming without a doubt. So we're going to change it over to the 2-day 1-minute chart really quick. Just look for any sort of extra confirmations we can get. And we do have a nice little stair-stepping upward channel here. The tops of these candles aligning as such outside of this little outlier right here. We do have what appears to be a little bit of a head and shoulders pattern, but we also have a stair-stepping bottom out. So this is a little bit of a mixed bag. Here's the bottom of the first bottom out. We do actually have a triple bottom right here, 3 George W's, followed by another bottom out right here, which is typically a bullish indicator. So this is kind of a mixed bag. Of course, we did end the day up 30%, so I don't think, I think obviously we know what won the battle here, but the volume was insane. The RSI, it is correcting slightly down to this level. We're currently trading at 39.8 cents. You know, we may see a retracement down to 38 cents, or we might continue to see it run. I'm going to not complain whatsoever if it does continue to run. That is a complete possibility, but if you're looking for an entry point into CTRM, if you're looking for a continuation of this run, which I can't guarantee, it might happen, it might not. We don't have any news catalyst, right? That is one thing that we're missing as a confirmation of CTRM, so we can't predict anything except for what the charts are saying us. And the charts are saying this is still bullish. We do have a cross under in the 15 VAMA underneath the 200 EMA right now, which is a bearish indicator. This may be a sign of an upcoming short-term or long-term bearish run. However, macroscopically speaking, this is an extremely bullish position in the stock, and it looks absolutely phenomenal right now. So if you are up profit on this, like I said, please drop a big fat whiskey glass in the comment section down below, because I am so pumped to see that that this finally panned out for some people. And honestly, this stock is a little bit of a little bit of an anomaly. So we're just happy to turn a profit no matter how it happens, and we look absolutely beautiful here. So just to recap really quick, looking for an entry point, get in at 38 cents. If you're looking to take profits, that is one thing I did not touch on. Looking to take profits, we do have resistance currently sitting at 43 cents, and after that it is at 48 cents. There's a lot of lack of price action here, so I think that is a gap that is eventually going to be filled. If that happens tomorrow on Monday, it's hard to predict, right? But we can say if we break above 43 cents, that's likely going to be the next level that we see some resistance held up at. So that is what I have for the video today. I'm so pumped that I can put out a good one on CTRM. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like. It really does help support the channel, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. And lastly, I do have an affiliate link in the description box down below for Tubebuddy. Now, Tubebuddy is an SEO optimization website that I personally pay a $9 per month membership for, and it is highly what I attribute growing from 0 to 10,000 subscribers in just over a month. So if if you're a content creator or looking to become one, it is a great tool to help get your videos into the eyes of your intended audience. And if you do use my link, I'll receive a commission off of your purchase at no extra cost to you. So it is a great way to support the channel, and if you're not interested, that's totally fine. I just appreciate your support by taking the time to watch my videos and turn in some fat, filthy freaking profits. So that is what I have for you guys today. Thank you for watching, my friends, and I will see you all next time. Peace.